Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, 9th class. Today we will discuss errors in meiosis. Mostly errors in meiosis occur during anaphase phase when chromosome is not normally separated. Okay, during anaphase 1 we have discussed chromosome. This diagram shows anaphase 1 and here chromosomes separate from one another and they moves towards the opposite pole. Okay, and in anaphase 2 these sister chromatids they separate and they will move towards the opposite pole. This is the normal process and this is called as disjunction. Okay, this process is known as disjunction when in anaphase 1 and anaphase 2 chromosomes and sister chromatids they separate and goes to the opposite pole. This process is known as disjunction. But what happens sometimes the separation is not normal and it is called as non-disjunction. Okay, so when there is abnormalities then the separation of chromosome is not normal. This is called as non-disjunction. What happened in this? There is production of gamete which have either more or less number of chromosomes. Okay, so when this separation is not normal, suppose these two chromosomes will move towards this pole. So what happened? The gamete which is formed from these chromosome, it have more chromosome and here there will be less chromosome. So gametes which is formed, they maybe have more or less chromosome, and when this abnormal gamete fuses with the normal gamete they form a zygote which have more or less chromosome number. Okay, for example human have normally 46 chromosome, and when there is abnormalities occurs and there is which is known as non-disjunction, then a person have 47 or 45 chromosomes. Okay, so when there is abnormality in meiosis in anaphase 1, there is abnormal separation of chromosomes and which result in more or less number of chromosome in gametes, and these gametes when fuses with the normal gamete it result in the production of abnormal zygote, and abnormal zygote then produce an individual with less or more number of chromosome. For example, person have 45 and 47 chromosome, and this is very critical conditions. Persons with have 45 or 47 chromosome number, they have different disease. बहुत सारी disease होती हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा critical conditions होती हैं. तो so it's very important that this there is in anaphase 1 and anaphase 2 chromosomes separate separation जो है वो ठीक तरह से हो. Okay, so these are the errors in meiosis. Okay, next topic is comparison between mitosis and meiosis. Okay, when we compare mitosis and meiosis, we compare actually meiosis 1 and mitosis, because meiosis 2 is similar to the mitosis. Okay, so we compare meiosis 1 and mitosis. This diagram shows the different phases of mitosis and meiosis 1. Okay, first one is the prophase. In prophase in mitosis there is no homologous chromosome form and there is no crossing over. This is diagram. There is no crossing over and there is no homologous chromosomes are formed. Okay, and in prophase 1 of meiosis there is a formation of homologous chromosomes and then crossing over occur. Okay, so in prophase 1 of meiosis crossing over and homologous chromosomes they form. Okay, in metaphase of mitosis, single chromosomes they align to form metaphase plate. Okay, only single chromosomes they move in the center or equator and they align to form a metaphase plate, whereas in metaphase 1 of meiosis 1, homologous chromosomes they will align to form a metaphase plate. Okay, they come in the form of pairs and they arrange themselves at the equator and form the metaphase plate in metaphase 1 of meiosis. So this is the difference between mitosis and meiosis. In meiosis, homologous chromosomes they form the metaphase plate. Okay, and then in anaphase 1, chromosome break and individual chromatids are pulled towards the opposite pole. So chromosome divide from the centromere and then individual chromatids they move towards the opposite pole. Okay, and whereas in anaphase 1, from homologous chromosome, whole individual chromosomes it moves towards the opposite pole. Okay, so there is no breakage of centromere, so whole individual chromosomes are pulled towards the opposite pole. And in telophase, daughter nuclei contain diploid number of chromosomes, so number of chromosomes remains same and each chromosome have single chromatids. So in mitosis, chromosome number remains same, and whereas in meiosis, daughter nuclei contain haploid number of chromosomes and each chromosome has 2 chromatids. So in meiosis 1, haploid daughter cells are produced and which contain half number of chromosomes. So these are the difference between mitosis and meiosis. Okay, learn it with diagram के साथ इसको लर्न करना है. ये भी इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. इसमें पेपर्स के हिसाब से पेपर्स में आ जाता होता है. आपके सिर्फ एक फेज का भी डिफरेंस पूछ लिया जाता है. जैसे आपसे पूछ लिया जा सकता है कंपेयर द प्रोफेज ऑफ माइटोसिस और मियोसिस या फिर मेटाफेज, एनाफेज या टीलोफेज, कोई भी आपसे स्टेज पूछ ली जाती है. इसी तरह से ये क्वेश्चन जो भी हमने डिस्कस किया, डिस्जंक्शन एंड नॉन डिस्जंक्शन, दिस इज आल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट रिगार्डिंग पेपर्स के हिसाब से अक्सर पूछ लिया जाता है व्हाट इज नॉन डिस्जंक्शन एंड डिसजंक्शन. ओके, learn it and make MCQs, short questions, and learn it with diagram. Okay, Allah Hafiz.